Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you create a text frame here in Canva? It's going to be really simple. So let's just go ahead to Canva. Now that we're on here on the site here, just wait for it to load a little bit here. Okay. Click on Create a Design. Again, doesn't matter where you choose from here, but since it's frame that you're looking for, just basically search on frame. As you can see, there's a bunch of frames here with sizes. Choose whichever it is you'd like. Let's choose text frame. Right. Here it is, metal A frame. Yeah, whatever it is, type of frame you'd like, it's all in here. And after that, it'll give you a wide sheet to work with in this one. And so that's the frame. You could add page here. Just wait for it to load. And yeah, you could add template, and now you can just basically add the text. Click on add text. Add a text. Click on add a heading. And there it is. You can just basically type in here and start your text. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and yeah, you guys have a nice day.